What's up, YouTubers? My dog Peaches and a baby kitten playing with each other. Ain't that cute?
What is this?
Hey, your girl's gotta have a hobby.
She's like, what the hell are you?
Is that what you call it?
Silly mamas.
That's a hobby.
Don't sniff her butt, baby girl. Don't sniff the baby kitten's butt. That's her butt, not your butt. I recorded the baby kitten right there jumping like a little rabbit. And Peaches running away from the baby kitten.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Mamas, what are you doing to her? You be nice. Why did the baby kitten go meow right at you, Mama? See, look. One of them's crying. Who's crying?
John Kramer designed his trap.
Who's crying?
Before all the others. They found the plans in his lab. I built it myself. Got them from some guy on the internet. Rumor is, not only did John design this,
Meow.
he built one.
Well, I'm sorry to
Peaches is
disappoint.
like, 2 of them.
None of Kramer's victims died in any
Peaches is all looking at both of them like, 2 of them? What the heck?
Maybe the bodies are never found.
The 2 baby sisters are playing. Hey, get off your sister! They're all playing. That's funny. I'm recording this still too. Peaches, you might want to get away from them after playing with each other. She's like, okay, I'll get away. Hyper drone. She's all trying to pull at Peaches. Peach, you don't tip her over, baby.